I just got a hold of this QT&QY tactical travel bag, and I have some thoughts. So here's a closer look at this. It did come with a handle. The handle is nice and strong. 3 zipper pockets, one in the front, one in here, and one in the back. I am really surprised by how many different compartments it has for storing everything. There's just much more space in here than I thought there was going to be, so my husband is going to be thrilled. So on the back of here, these all come off. They're buttons. The flag actually is Velcro and it comes off, so I can put it wherever I want on here. This travel bag does say hand wash only. However, there are 2 different sections where you can put things you're worried about exploding, and it has that type of material that is easier to clean. The zippers also feel strong and they work well. If you are looking for a travel bag with plenty of space and multiple compartments, I highly recommend this one.